How's it going? How are you all? Today I'm bringing you a new video about artificial intelligence, and it's very useful, honestly. What if I told you, what if you could have a full artificial intelligence team, designer, programmer, data analyst, SEO specialist, and even a manager working for you without paying a single euro? Today I'm going to show you Atoms.dev, a platform that promises to turn your idea into a real product in minutes without writing a single line of code. And most importantly, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it with the free account so you can learn as much as possible before reaching into your pocket. What is Atoms? Atoms is basically a website and app builder powered by artificial intelligence. But what makes it different, what makes it stand out from the rest, isn't just that it generates code. It's that it works like a team of specialized agents working together. I'm telling you, for example, here we have Mike, who is the team leader. Okay, here we have, for example, Adrian, who is an analyst, well, a specialist in Google Ads and so on. Impressive, right? We have Sarah, who's an SEO specialist, Emma, who's a product manager, and a few more who do their jobs. Honestly, it's top tier to have all these people working for you. In other words, you describe your idea in natural language, and these agents split up the work to deliver something functional to you. The free plan, what does it include? Well, before I start showing you how to use it, let's talk about the cash, right? About the money, which is what we all care about, basically. The free plan is forever and gives you 15 daily credits and 25 credits per month. What does this mean? That every task you do generates basically a page, adding a feature, doing a deployment. So, well, each task consumes credits according to its complexity. Okay? And with that, well, you have the free plan. It's not much, but it's enough to experiment, learn the workflow, and understand how this artificial intelligence works behind the scenes. If you want more, well, you have the Pro plan, okay? Which starts, well, at $20, which is a bit discounted, okay? Or the Max plan now, huh? If you want to go all out, come on, right? If you say this is my artificial intelligence, thanks Cabron for bringing it to me, then you spend the cash and do a wonderful job here. Now, if you're up for it, let's try a demonstration, a live demo. Okay? Let's get to it. I'll register for free. I'm already registered, of course, for free. They give me my 15 tokens, okay? To be able to start doing things. And the first thing I see is that I can start from scratch and use a template, right? You can go to templates and see that you have different templates to use. This isn't bad. Like I said, there are templates for SaaS, e-commerce, internal tools, and personal projects. Okay? So it's pretty good. Let's just pick anyone. It doesn't matter, okay? This one's cool, huh? This one would be really cool, but come on. Really? I mean, we don't want to spend tokens or anything just to show you the stuff, first of all. So let's get to it. I'm going to write my idea, okay? Which basically is that I want an app for freelancers to log their work hours and generate automatic invoices, okay? And we're going to hit enter. So let's see what it offers us and what it starts to create for us. For now, we see that, well, as you can see here, we have that Alex, the engineer. Well, I'm going to create a development plan for this hour logging app generation and so on, and he's making it, okay? In a way that's quite correct, right? He makes a main dashboard. He also does client management, project management, hour logging, automatic invoice generation, freelancer profile. You can edit these different plans, or you can hit approve. Okay? So if you hit approve, then, well, Alex starts doing his thing, okay? He's generating and carrying out everything that needs to be, done, right? See? He's thinking, he's doing the work process, okay? The plan has been approved with the 7 tasks. And so, well, he keeps working, basically. And it's the right way. It's what you have to do. Let them work for you. Not you working at all. That's what artificial intelligence is for. The good thing about this AI is that once you have something generated, okay, as we can see, he keeps working on his own. He'll be working because he's really doing a very good job for me, teaming up with the other agents they have. And of course, you'll be able to edit it visually without touching code. Change layouts, colors, components, everything, okay? This thing they call the visual editor. Well, you're going to be able to do that quite easily. When it's ready, you publish with just one click and Atoms takes care of the hosting. You get a live URL. It's that simple. I mean, it's really incredible, honestly. And now I'm going to explain what you can learn for free, okay? The part I'm most interested in telling you, what AI concepts you can learn using Atoms without paying a thing. Prompt engineering. Atoms teaches you to write clear instructions for artificial intelligence. The more precise you are in writing your idea, the better result you'll get. This is pure prompt engineering, and it's a skill worth its weight in gold in 2026, definitely. Also, AI agents and multi-agent systems. You see live how different agents with specialized roles coordinate to solve a complex problem. This is the concept of a multi-agent system, one of the hottest topics in artificial intelligence right now. Atoms is based on MetaGPT, a research project with over 165,000 stars on GitHub. Also, of course, brief coding. Atoms popularizes the concept of brief coding, programming by describing what you want in natural language without technical syntax. You can practice it, you can do it, okay? And here it prepares you to use any other generative AI coding tool. You can also learn product workflows. The cycle Atoms follows, research, design, construction, deployment, SEO, is exactly the flow of a real startup. Without realizing it, you're learning product methodology. You also learn race mode. Experiment with multiple models. In the paid plan, there's race mode, which sends your prompt to several artificial intelligence models at once to see which one gives the best result. Even though it's paid, understanding why results differ between models is a valuable lesson you can investigate from the free account. And now I'm going to explain the honest limitations of the free plan. I'll be honest, the 15 daily credits get used up quickly. If you make a complex app, you won't have access to race mode or the larger storage capacity. Some more advanced agents, like the Google Ads Specialist, require a paid plan. But to learn the flow, experiment with generative AI, and build something small that actually works, it's more than enough, of course. So now you know. Atoms.dev is a practical window into the future of software development. You don't need to know how to program to understand how AI applied to a real product works. And with a free account, you already have enough to explore, learn, and be surprised. Link in the description, as always, so you can try it yourself. If you want me to make a more in-depth video about any of the agents or how to use credits efficiently, leave it in the comments. Give it a like if you found this helpful. And as you know, I'm Cabron, and I'll see you in the next video.